Because I'm Batman. Thanks, Alfred. Same time next week.
Welcome back to Brick 2 Buddies. Today we will show you how to build Alfred. The hair is a generic gray hair, but only because we don't currently have the hairstyle that we would use from Commissioner Gordon. For his head, we used Clark Kent from the Batman movie DC Superheroes Unite. We used the detective torso from the Series 5 Lego blind bag. Then we switched out the arms with light blue to make it a vest. The legs are from Dick Grayson. And if you want any kind of accessory, I suppose you could use a Lego computer. And that's how you build Alfred. If you want to see more sweet characters like this one, and animations like you saw at the beginning, consider subscribing to Brick 2 Buddies.